What if I told you that one skincare product can solve multiple skin problems all at once and you don't even need to spend thousands on it? I'm talking about glycolic acid. The glycolic acid toner, the one which you have seen, which has gone viral on the internet, is the one from the Minimalist, but you can use any of the toner. For example, I have one from Underrated because that glycolic acid toner was not in stock. So I got my hands on this one, and this one does a pretty good job. This is basically a chemical exfoliant. It works by shredding off the dead skin cells, which results in brightening of the skin. And just not brightening, there are so many benefits that we can get from this single toner. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use glycolic acid correctly, for what skin concerns can glycolic acid be used, and what precautions you need to take while using this active ingredient. Firstly, you can use it for body acne. If you have tiny bumps on your shoulders, on your back, or anywhere on your body, you can use this, and I'm going to tell you how to use this correctly. Number two, if you have dark armpits and you are really bothered with the darkness of it, because whenever you wear these kinds of top and you raise your hand like this, you just feel embarrassed and not so confident. So you can start using this consistently. Number three, dark elbows and knees. Now slight darkness over your elbows and knees is totally fine. But again, if you think कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा है and you just want to lighten it up, of course, एकदम bright नहीं हो सकता कि आप सोचो कि your face and this area is gonna look exactly same. That's not gonna happen because this skin is really thicker than the skin over our entire body. There can be different reasons कि क्यों हमारे knees और elbows dark है, but yes, we can still lighten them. Number four, to prevent ingrown hair. If you shave your body hair and you feel that there are ingrown hair, whenever you touch you feel bumpy skin, then this is again something which is going to help you smoothen out that skin texture. Now let me show you how to use the glycolic acid toner correctly. Your body needs to be clean and dry before you use this exfoliant. Do not use it on damp skin after you take a shower. Take some cotton or a cotton pad, put some glycolic acid toner. Let's say you are using it for body acne and you have acne on your shoulders. So you just need to wipe that area like this with the toner. Basically हमने ये ensure करना है कि ये वाला जो area है ये toner से अच्छे से cover हो जाए. That's it. Same goes on the other one. I'm just going to wipe it over the area. इसे ज़्यादा ऐसे घिसने की या drag करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Our motive is just to cover that area. ये physical exfoliator नहीं है. जैसे आप scrub को लेते हो और उसके बाद आप उसको अच्छे से ऐसे करते हो और फिर आप उसे use करते हो, इसको वैसा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's an ingredient that is going to go deep into your skin and then it's going to work. Another option for the ingrown area can be mix this toner with your regular lotion, body lotion, उसमें mix करके और उसके बाद भी आप इसको अच्छे से ऐसे करके उस सारे एरिया पे लगा सकते हो. सो दैट वे ऑल्सो इट्स गोना वर्क. बेसिकली इसे ओवरनाइट लगा के छोड़ दो और सुबह जस्ट टेक अ शावर. नायासिनामाइड बेस्ड बॉडी लोशन अच्छे से बॉडी पे लगा लो. एंड इफ यू आर स्टेपिंग आउट इन द सन, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर यूजिंग द सनस्क्रीन बिकॉज दीज आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इंग्रेडिएंट्स और इनके साथ सनस्क्रीन लगाना इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज डोंट एक्सपेक्ट रिजल्ट्स ओवरनाइट कि आपने एक बार यूज किया, दो बार यूज किया तो वो जो इनग्रोन हेयर है वो चले जाएंगे. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इफ यू कैन सी, आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड दिस यहाँ तक and I've been using it consistently. I won't say too much consistently, but I try to use it once in 14-15 days at least. अगर आपकी skin condition ज़्यादा severe है, then you need to make sure that you are using it consistently at least twice a week. बहुत सारे factors हैं जिसकी वजह से ingrown hair हो सकते हैं और उसको reduce भी किया जा सकता है. Of course, there are certain things which you need to keep in mind basically. जैसे अभी बहुत humid मौसम है, तो sweating is very normal, but we do not want our sweat to repel other people. You're getting my point, right? There are certain people जिनके पास हम खड़े होते हैं और हमें ऐसे होते हैं कि हम उनके पास खड़े नहीं हो सकते because we just can't breathe in that smell. So if you feel that you have sweaty underarms which has a specific odor, then of course you can use this because our sweat does not have any odor. It's really odorless and it's the bacteria जिसकी वजह से वो जो sweat है उसमें smell आती है. I would recommend you doing this at night. मैं खुद भी वैसे इसके साथ इतनी consistent नहीं हो पाती हूँ, but if you are really serious about treating your skin concerns, you need to be consistent with this.